Hello everyone and welcome to another Warner Bros Studio tour, the Making of Harry Potter vlog. Today we're going up to Watford to go to the studios tour to experience the Christmas overlays that they have put on. We're also going to dinner in the Great Hall, which is a really popular event that always sells out and I've always wanted to do it. So I was really excited to be invited today. We've not been asked to make this vlog, but I know you guys love watching them and I thought we'd just put together all the new things that are there, all the Christmas stuff, and just show you some of our favourite bits and what our dinner looks like in the Great Hall. So should be seeing a lot of my lovely friends today and just having a really nice evening. Really looking forward to it. So big thank you to Warner Bros for inviting us. I'm all dressed and ready. I'm wearing this very lovely navy and gold sparkly dress. I thought it was very Harry Potter-esque. I've got my golden snitch on my neck and I even have time turners in my hair. So got my little touches, but I'm really looking forward to it. So let's go to Watford. Okay, so we've just arrived. Here is the entrance and already we've noticed that they've got Christmas trees and lights. It looks absolutely beautiful. So yeah, it's already feeling very festive. This is something that I think is lovely to do at Christmas time. It always gets me in the festive spirit. This is my outfit this evening. I should take my coat off. This is a monsoon dress. I'll leave it linked. Where's this coat from? Oasis. Little flats on so we can walk around the studios tour. So we've just arrived and it's such an amazing entrance. I love it here. And what's really cool is that Benj and I are actually heading out to Universal Studios in a few weeks' time. So we're actually going to be going to Harry Potter World and I have so many new things to do there. I haven't done the Hagrid's ride yet and I just love walking down Diagon Alley and just everything about it there. So this has got me feeling really excited and ready for Christmas. So we're just hanging out, getting some canapés and drinks here, which is always so lovely, and then we'll be heading into the Great Hall for dinner. I've never done this before, so I'm really excited, and all these Christmas decorations, it's gorgeous.
Welcome to Hogwarts! And do enjoy your fabulous dinner in the Great Hall.
Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Wow, it smells amazing as well. Look at the table. Oh my gosh, there's a wand. Wow. This is incredible.
This is honestly so special. This is really pretty. Loads of people are coming in. I don't want to sit at the table yet, but oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. All the little details. There's a wand on the table. There is a little Christmas cracker. There's the menu. There's even a little Christmas decoration as well.
First feast for Christmas, and I'm sure probably your first feast for Christmas as well. Please take your seats and dinner will be served.
It's the Hogwarts Express. Gonna put that in your tree? One of your trees?
One of my many trees.
Yes. You've got your hats on? Oh no. Where's your hat?
Am I meant to be wearing it? Just need a little head.
Never gonna. They know my head is oversized. I cannot help that. That was just how I was born. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
What was Marilyn Monroe's natural hair colour?
Was it ginger?
It was ginger.
I like that a lot. I didn't know that.
3, 2, 1. Oh, here we go. There's no playing. And no man. Does that mean I've got to wear 2 hats?
It's also got half a key ring as well.
Don't forget to put it on.
Oh, I've got some dice.
There you go.
They are quite handy. Right. Oh god, my head is a bit big.
It's the cream.
And of course, as I said, you just had a feast of your own. Well, we too had our very own feast. Every day on set, we made our very own Christmas feast. And that's where our props department stepped in and made the incredible spread you see before you. We've got turkeys and hams and peas and roast potatoes. So you can see the walls have been lined with a wonderful silver foil and we have icicles hanging from the archways. These were handmade by Pierre Bohanna and our wonderful props team, and they are made out of resin.
sounds.
Swirl around the right. Correct, yeah. And that's still your one.
So tell me more, sorry, ever-changing flavour. Mystery flavour served in a mini waffle cone.
And your tongue's gone blue.
How's it? It's really nice. I don't know what flavour it is, do you?
It's ever-changing flavour.
Well, yeah, but what's the main flavour?
Changing.
Pretty confident my lips are now blue. Might need to put some lipstick. I might need to put some lipstick on. Cheers. I don't know what this is, but little chocolate. Chocolate with raspberry, that's nice.
Thank you very much. That's nice.
Further still, further still, further still, further still. You're missing the castle otherwise. A little bit more. Wonderful. Lovely that steam.
Oh my gosh.
I thought that man back there was a mannequin that scared the life out of me.
We've got butterbeer ice cream and butterbeer drink. I only want to try it.
With a frog with frame.
I love butterbeer. Cheers, babe. And look, they've given us the little cups.
Anyone? It went in my ear.
Snowing!
Wait, it's gonna come again.
I've just got the outtakes here. You're going to do them all, are you?
Or get red!
So you've got Hagrid's hut here. You can see that Hagrid is obviously 7'6", so they had to make sure that his dimensions were correct compared to kind of Harry, Ron, Hermione, Dumbledore, people like that. You also have the boathouse, and we also have Show Cottage.
So we're nearly at the end of the tour. I know we haven't shown you the whole thing in this vlog because we did do that earlier this year if you did want more details.
We're getting all the Christmassy bits though, haven't we?
Yes.
The snowy Christmassy bits.
Yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed seeing some of the Christmas overlay. And we've obviously saved the best bit till last. They obviously have the Hogwarts model here at the end, and Hogwarts in the snow. They have it with the snow overlay. And I know it doesn't sound like much, but it really is really nice in the snow. So let me show you.
It's just yellow lights underneath, so you're very welcome to touch it. It's not
So you don't touch it?
I'm scared.
It's just fake. Put your hand in, go on. That means you're acting.
So you can see beneath, it's just yellow lights, and then you've got a water vapour. Yes, it's just from the
Is it soft?
Yeah.
Oh wow. make the snow, huh?
So we've come to the end of the tour, but before we wrap, we want to show you the Christmas stuff in the gift shop.
There's lots.
We love a gift shop.
We do.
And there's some really cute bits, so let's have a look. So I hope you enjoyed that little vlog that we made. I loved editing this together, and as you saw, it was just such a beautiful event. I know it's quite expensive and really hard to get tickets to do the dinner in the Great Hall, but Hogwarts in the Snow is the overlay they have at Christmas time, and you can just buy normal tickets and see everything included. So it's always worth going around Christmas time anyway to see all those details. I didn't even scrape the surface on showing you everything because I want you to go and experience it for yourself, but I'll leave a link below for the Warner Bros. Studio Tour, The Making of Harry Potter. I think the tickets of the dinner is completely sold out as well, but I know they have a Valentine's Day one, and they do these every year, so definitely keep an eye out for when they release tickets again. We each got given a Christmas decoration, which you would have seen. This is the Hogwarts Express, and I absolutely love it. It's a really nice quality decoration. Let me try and show you close up that you can see. Really, really nice. And then we also got given these exclusive designer collection Wizarding World Harry Potter wands. So they look like this in the boxes. This one's called the Ukrainian Iron Belly. This one was Benji's, and it has a little card on the wand and how it was inspired and things like that. And the wand is inside like so. So if I get this out, it's beautiful. This is definitely like a collector's piece, you know. Look at the detail on that. It feels so nice. I have the Phoenix, and again, here's the little card with more information about it. This is stunning, absolutely stunning. So this one has like an ombre from red to black, and then look at the detailing on the head there. I think that's amazing. I love it, and like the weight of it and everything. Oh, imagine if this was actually your wand if you were a wizard. Oh, absolutely love it. And then we went in the shop and did a little bit of browsing and mooching and shopping, and I picked up this pin, which I've never seen before. It's just a generic one for the logo for the tour, but I just thought it was really nice, and I've been a few times now, so I thought I'd add that to my wall. And then I also bought myself a spirit jersey. I don't have a Harry Potter spirit jersey, and I couldn't help myself with this one. So on the front, it is the blue with the stars, and we've got the Hogwarts emblem, I guess. Yeah, we can see all the different houses in there. The detail is so nice. So that's what it looks like on the front, and then on the back it says Hogwarts. As you all know, we're heading to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Florida in Universal Studios. It's so exciting, but this was actually a really great price. Spirit jerseys can be really expensive. I took the price off, I think it was £45. But yeah, I was really happy with that. You can see this is actually my packing that I've started for the trip, so I will show you a packing video very soon. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching, and click subscribe so you don't miss more videos and you don't miss our really exciting Florida vlogs, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.